Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to get that younger hands, how to get that glowing and more beautiful looking hands, removing fine lines from your fingers and your hands, literally. Okay, now for this particular ingredient you would have to apply it for at least some days to see a very magnifying result. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and now let's go. Okay guys, so to remove those wrinkles and to furnish those fine lines from your hands and your fingers, we're going to be making use of banana. Now because banana is great in moisturizing the skin and leaving the skin looking young and soft, that is why we need banana to use and moisturize the hands and remove all fine lines and as well as wrinkles. All right, so I'm gonna be getting this one. This one is almost dying, like it's very soft, so that is actually the one I will be needing for this. And then I will be getting my mortar. Since this banana is actually very soft, it's gonna be easy for me to just use this mortar and just crush it all up just like this. Okay guys, so I'm done mashing my banana in this little tiny mortar, and this is how smooth the banana has come out. Yeah, and now the very next ingredient we're going to be needing, which is actually very important for this, is milk. Now milk contains a lactic acid. Now the lactic acids in this milk help to leave your hands looking really young, and it also helps remove all of the wrinkles and fine lines, and it also helps to make your hands super duper soft. With the combination of the banana, it works like magic. So I actually put like 3 tablespoons of the milk in here, and now I'm gonna be stirring and mixing it all up. Yeah, just like this. Okay, so after mixing that up, we're going to be needing baking soda. All right, so this is bicarbonate of soda. Now you can actually find this in a baking shop where they sell baking stuff. Okay, now baking soda is a great scrub that helps so much in scrubbing out dead skin cells. It helps to remove fine lines, age spots, and also help for all of those age-related problems. Now we're going to be needing it because we're going to be using it to scrub out the roughness and crackiness on the hands. Yeah, so what we'll do now is that we'll actually put in 1 tablespoon of the baking soda into this mixture here. And this is how it looks like. Yeah, really nice. Okay guys, now to make this even better, you'll be needing olive oil. Now do you know that olive oil is one great oil for the skin that moisturizes the skin, leave the skin looking moist, and it also helps with the banana in this. It helps to lock in moisture and stay moisturized. So I'm actually going to be putting a whole good quantity of this olive oil into this treatment, and here we go. It is ready and ready to transform your old looking hands, fracky looking hands, and aged looking hands. Okay, all right, so now this is how you're going to apply this. Now do not expect to apply this just once and you expect a miracle. There is no miracle here. It's just that this natural ingredient works a whole lot and you need it on your hands for it to look really soft. Now the very first thing you do is to pack this and apply it onto your hands, just like I'm applying it onto my hands right now. Apply it onto your palm because you need your palm to get soft, because we ladies want to get soft hands, you know, so that when we touch our partner with our hands, it's gonna send message, you know what I mean? Yeah, so you apply it onto your hands first. Use your left hand and apply onto your right hand. Now you would notice that your right hand is usually more rough than your left hand, and that's why you must have to apply this treatment onto your right hands, because the right hands actually do a lot of chores more than the left hand. So after you do this, then you can hold on and play with it for a little while. Let it soften your hands first, and after which it has softened your hands, then the very next thing you do is to start scrubbing. Yeah, now the little very tiny particles in the baking soda would actually help you to scrub out all of those fine lines and age problems on your hand. So you scrub it lightly and in a circular motion, just like this. Okay, scrub it like this. All right, guys, so this is how you do that. You scrub it for about 1 minute, which is 60 seconds. You need to give this a whole lot of time and scrub this thing. Don't just scrub it for 10 minutes and you're done and you're gone. No, you need to give it a whole time, your time, man. You need to give it your time, you know, and scrub the dead skin cells out of your hands. All right, now after which you scrub it, you can as well just leave it like this, just like you've seen. There are still products on my hand, but in most cases where you don't have products on your hands anymore, then you have to apply this product again onto your hands, just like this. It's gonna be chilling, just like mine is. Now if yours is not chilling, you need to refrigerate it. Put it inside the refrigerator and let it chill, let it cool down a little bit. Okay, so after which you've applied it like this, guys, my hands are literally very soft right now. Like I can actually feel it. Okay, so that's, you wait for another 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes then you can actually go wash your hands off, and then you use a toilet soap, and also you would have to be using the olive oil to apply on your hands generously, and your hands are going to stay soft for a longer period of time. Okay, so for this particular ingredient, you can as well just continue using it for a better and a more steady result. So that's it. That's how you're going to vanish all of those roughness, all of those wrinkles, and then have your skin looking healthy, have your skin looking glowing, and have your skin looking polished. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you do love this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.